Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in CREO software. You can see the base dimension 100 by 80, thickness is 15 mm and it is on the top plane. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select the top plane, sketch, select center rectangle, give the dimension 80 and 100 mm. So finish, extrude up to 15 mm. Next there is a circular part, outer dia 60 and inner dia 40 mm. Height from the base is 60 mm. Select front plane, sketch, select circle. First select the reference lines and create center line also. Select circle, create two circles, outer dia 60 mm, inner dia 40 mm. Height from the base is 60 mm. Select line, select delete segment, delete these lines. Finish sketch, select extrude, select here symmetric, length is 80 mm. Next there is a plate to join the parts. Select this plane, sketch, select references, this and this, select line, select circle, delete segment, delete this circle. Finish sketch, extrude, here select symmetric, thickness is 10 mm. Okay. Next there is a rib both side. Select the plane, sketch, select reference lines, select line, create sketch like this. Okay. Select here rib, profile rib, thickness is 10 mm. Okay. So mirror the rib, mirror, select the center plane. Next there are 4 holes, diameter 10, dimension is both side 15 mm. Select hole, select this surface, diameter is 10 mm, give the dimensions, this is 15, from this side also 15. here we can select up to next surface, finish. So you can mirror this hole, select the center plane, select both holes, mirror about center plane. Next there is a fillet that we can give up to 10 mm. Select the edges. That's it friends, you can compare both the drawings. Now we can assign the material here. Friends, if you are enjoying this session, please hit the like button and subscribe buttons. Go to appearances, select which material you want here. In the library there are listed materials. I will go with aluminum PTC standard. Select entire body, apply. So we can edit the color also, more appearances, color. So you can edit with the wheel like this. Select entire body. Okay. So that's the today's session friends. I hope you enjoy this session, and also thanks for watching this session friends.